One of the things about the crypto space that people tend to forget is that everyone trades like this when things are testing all-time highs. But if you actually look across the entire market, there are a bunch of top, let's say 100 to 200 projects that are all still oversold. Like ApeCoin, for example, which is consolidating, seeing a lot of volume inflow, and is nowhere near the all-time highs. Aptos looking similar. Arbitrum, Atom, Cosmos, AVAX is looking oversold. And just to give you the opposite perspective, I think Binance currently is overbought. We already broke the all-time highs from 2021. And we're just starting to create consistent higher highs and essentially chopping right now. So I would expect some sort of weakness coming into the next couple months. Brett oversold, Doge oversold, Engine oversold, Fetch AI oversold, still testing bear market prices. Polygon is just starting to break out of this oversold consolidation range. Optimism also waiting to see if we can break out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Sandbox oversold, Radium oversold, Toncoin oversold, VeChain oversold and still testing bear market prices. XRP is a little bit overbought, but if we can play out this cup and handle pattern, it is a continuation pattern, so this can easily break out from here into the $4 to $6 range if it really wanted to out of this handle. And the main reason I believe in this, and I think that we're not even near an altcoin season just yet, is because we still haven't even gotten down to the Bitcoin dominance range that we tested back in November and December of 2024 when we saw that mini altcoin season. And if you go look at the previous bull runs, you've seen that we've consistently gotten down into the lower 40% range on Bitcoin dominance before we start to get into bear runs. And every time we see the bull run, we see a parabolic sell-off on Bitcoin dominance. So the one thing that I'm noticing when we look over to 2025 is we have not had that true parabolic sell-off yet into the 40% range. That to me would distribute a lot of money from Bitcoin and Ethereum into the lower cap gems, and that's when you can see projects do 10, 50, 100, 200x, so on and so forth. But me personally, I think the party is just getting started, and I'll be keeping everyone up to date in the Epic trading floor, so if you want to come join us, it is free to sign up, and then there are limited all access passes available, as well as one-on-one mentorship spots. So I'll add that link in the video as well as the description and in the comments to make it easy for you to find it. I hope you all have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on where you're watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.